Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Learning. In this video, I will just give a quick demo update of my Eric Neuman AR experience. So yeah, basically this is the latest tweak on Eric's face. Currently, it's running in Blender in real time. So I'm kind of like streaming my face data into Blender using Open Sounds controller. And here you can see it's a lot more natural because I kind of move the body using noise. If I switch to animation nodes, you can see I'm simply using just vector wiggle. So that's kind of making the body kind of wobbling a little bit. The full body is currently still kind of stiff, but at least from this chest up, it looks kind of natural. So maybe I should add some kind of breathing animation as well. That will make it a lot nicer. The eyes, if I look at my iPhone 10, the eyes should be a little bit more natural, I guess. Currently, it's kind of weird if it's from different angles. He's always looking that way. So let me try. If my eye is looking that way, now it should be tracking my eyes. Okay, so this should be the correct angle. So yeah, it's kind of interesting experiment so far. And apart from this this thing running in Blender, I also make it so it's run on the app. So let me switch to the app. So okay, this is running on the app. So the one in Blender suddenly stopped working because I haven't connected the two. There are two different apps. So this one, with this one, Eric head is inside this jarhead, just like in the animation Futurama. And I thought this is kind of interesting to try anyway. And the idea is to really just to test it out, how good or what's the limitations of the iPhone 10 facial scanning and tracking. So I guess it's kind of all right with both experiment because I'm working both using Blender and also using Xcode. And what I found is that with Blender, of course, it's really easy if we want to change the texture or change the character. Where if it's running on the iPhone, it's almost like, okay, this is the product with the app and the program. It's unless you actually program it so it can receive different assets or different texture or environment. You can't easily do that. Sometimes I kind of wish, okay, we actually need a 3D app inside the iPhone or on the iPad. Maybe iPad 10 should have like some kind of 3D app like Blender to do this very easily. Yeah, I studied this face AR thing for a while now, and then I kind of understand the blend shapes so far. It seems to work really well with this basic head with the blend shapes. There are a few things like the tongue that's still not working, but the overall kind of okay. But I also tested with different characters, and what's next is I have Vincent rig that's being rigged in Blender, and that's also kind of interesting. I will give you a demo next time, but yeah, so this is Eric Neuman, and there's still a few ideas that I want to try, and we'll see how it goes. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.